Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss our chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. Children, all of us wearing this cloth. Do you know what is the basic purpose of wearing the cloth? The basic purpose is to protect our body. To protect our body. So we can say that to protect our body against weather, for example, in the case of a strong sunlight or extreme cold or heat and rain. It also protects our body from various types of insects. So when we are concerned the case of different regions of the world, we can see that people wear different types of clothes. It basically depends on the type of climate existing in that place. When we are looking in our country itself, we can see that people in different regions, they are wearing various types of clothes depending upon their tradition. When we are concerned the case of this cloth, basically we are using 4 types of material used for making cloth. So we can say that is cotton, or we can say that another type of material is silk or wool, and we can say that the 4th type is a synthetic type of material. Synthetic material. So these are the 4 types of a material which we are used for making cloth. Basically we are using these types of 4 materials used for making cloth. And also we can see that sometimes we are mixing with the cotton or a wool with the synthetic. So that type of a mixture also we are used for making cloth. Children, suppose if you are concerned the case of any piece of cloth, we can see that when we are seeing that cloth, you can see that so many small threads we can see on their sides. So these small threads we can call it as one name that is known as yarn. So that small threads we can see that is known as yarn. And if you are fixing one side of this yarn and scratch it, you can see that that yarn is again split into fine threads, fine strands. That is known as we can say that fiber. So these small strands are known as fiber. So when you are concerned the case of this cloth or a fabric, we can say that this fabric is made up of yarns or threads, and these yarns are made up of small strands that is known as fiber. So we call it as a fiber. Similarly, there are 2 kinds of fiber we are using for making this cloth. One is we can say that natural fibers we are using, natural, and another is we can say that synthetic fibers we are using. Natural fibers basically we are obtaining from plants or animals, we can say. For example, the case of cotton, jute. So these are the natural fibers only which are basically obtaining from plants or animals. Similarly, in the case of animals also we are obtaining, for example, in the case of wool and silk. So cotton, jute, wool or silk are considered as natural fibers which are basically obtaining from plants or animals. Similarly, when we are considering the case of this synthetic fiber, we can see that in the case of synthetic fibers, they are mainly obtaining from petroleum substance. That is, it is considered as a petroleum byproduct only, this type of synthetic fiber. Beyond this, we are using leather and fur, and also we are used for materials which we are used for making this cloth. So these are the basic 4 different types of materials which are used for making cloth, and this is the basic 2 type of fiber which we are used for making this fabric. Okay, thank you.